Hi, I'm Janvi, and today I have finally gathered some courage to bring out my past in front of you all. To begin with, let me tell you, I too was cheerful and a super active kid since my childhood. But unlike others of my age, I got mature too soon. I know it sounds weird, but yeah, I have my own family reasons for it. But most importantly, the wrong medication I was provided with played the vital role. Like I had been taking a dose to a problem that I did not even have, and neither it was for people of my age, which extended to 2 long years until we visited another doctor. Somehow, after some time, I was diagnosed with ADHD, which could be because of genetic reasons or even could be acquired. I don't know. ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, in which the person is unable to concentrate for a long period of time. So, the normal classes that people attend is not so normal for me. And then one experience in my life made my life even worse. One day, I, along with my friend, went out randomly to a place about which we had no clue. For us, it was an adventure. It was all going well until we were surrounded by nearly 10 to 12 guys. They started beating him and somehow managed to separate both of us. I was totally confused and literally shivering. But they kept on beating him. In no time, one of them said, "If you want us to not harm him, sleep with all of us or we would kill him." And man, was I numb. They kept on touching me and clicking my pictures. When I began begging them to leave us, they started slapping me. In a few minutes, I gathered all the courage that I had and said, "If you do anything to me, I would just go and commit suicide, and you guys won't be safe either. I have some money, take it, and I will bring you more. Just let us go, please." After almost an hour of torture, they left us after noting down our phone numbers. Things have never been normal for me. Those scenes, that touch, and my friend's voice, it still haunts me. It's been years of sleepless nights, sleep paralysis, anxiety attacks, and what not. Every night, I could literally feel those hands touching me. I hated myself even more. I could never concentrate on anything after that. There was a battle in each day, and each day felt burdensome. To be recalled by those memories and no one to speak about my pain. After a few days, I was diagnosed with PTSD. I knew it was coming. This was a curable one, with proper medication and therapy. I still visit my psychiatrist, but I have tried attempting suicide thrice and failed every time. What a failure. Friendship is something that calms you. But it was not the case for me. And it wasn't always the people who were wrong, but the strong feeling to push everyone who cares about you away. Even the slightest issues seemed so big. Since then, I have had trust issues. And the worst part is, I still have to pretend everything's okay with me. It is so tough, and I don't know why it is. Struggling all my life with mental disorders like ADHD, PTSD, and bipolar disorder, things have really been tough. And when I start feeling that things are getting better for me, I am proved wrong in the most horrible ways by my fate. I don't know when this suffering will end. Or will it really end? All I want to ask is why me?
Do you believe all this is true? Like the way she said, it isn't easy to deal with it even today.
Just a story to grab our attention. Ha, come on. This sounds like some Hindi serial storyline. ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है real life में.
वही ना यार, आज तक अगर होता तो कैसे ये लोग जिंदा रहते।
Can you guys just shut your mouth and understand the pain that she has been through? Like एक सेकंड के लिए थोड़ा mature react करो please.
तू तो ऐसी बोल रही है जैसे तेरे साथ ही हुआ है। चिल कर यार, हम तेरे साथ हैं।
हाँ हुआ है मेरे साथ। खुश थी तुम या तुम लोग में से कोई कुछ किया तुम लोगों ने? झेलती हूँ आज भी। अबे दिस इज सीरियस। मुझ पर इतना इम्पैक्ट हुआ नहीं क्योंकि मेरे सिनेरियोस थोड़े अलग थे, बट आई पर्सनली नो हाउ इट फील्स टू बी गोइंग थ्रू ऑल ऑफ इट, टू बी अ पीपल लाइक यू।
अरे अरे शांत हो जा यार, शांत हो जा। यार कभी तो हमको बता दिया होता तो हम ऐसे थोड़ी ना तुझे जज करते। अब भला हमें नहीं बताएगी तो और किसको बताएगी?
True, you went through all of this and didn't feel कि हम तुझे सुनेंगे. Really sorry, dude.
आई ट्राइड यार, बट तुम अभी ये बात बोल रहे हो, शायद मेरी भी वैसे ही मजाक उड़ाते जैसे अभी उसकी कहानी सुनकर कर रहे थे। इससे भी बुरे हालात होते हैं। अंदर से सिर्फ यही लगता है कि जो है वो भी आपको ना छोड़ के चले जाए। किसको आफत पसंद है भला? इसलिए अब ये सुन के कम से कम इतना तो सीखो कि कोई अपनी प्रॉब्लम सामने रख रहा है तो सुने अच्छे से। और हाँ तू, मेक पीपल फील कंफर्टेबल अराउंड यू, बी अ गुड लिसनर। मजाक अपनी जगह है,